Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something everyone feels: why your brain hates losing. That sting when you lose a game, miss an opportunity, or fail at something important. It's more than disappointment. Your brain reacts as if something is at risk. Imagine this: you lose a match or don't get a goal you wanted. Immediately, your heart sinks, your stomach twists, and your mind replays the moment. That's your anterior cingulate cortex, the part of your brain that processes pain, lighting up. Losing literally feels a bit like physical hurt. At the same time, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, spikes with activity. Stress hormones flood your body, your heart races. Your muscles tense, and your body goes on high alert. Your brain interprets loss as a threat to your status, resources, or survival. That's why losing feels so intense. Here's the twist: your brain's dopamine system reacts too. Wins flood you with dopamine, the reward chemical. Losses remove it, creating a craving to win again. Your brain hates losing because it's built to seek rewards and avoid pain. That's why you feel restless, frustrated, or even obsessed after a defeat. Even more fascinating, repeated losses can actually shape your brain. The prefrontal cortex, which helps control emotions, struggles to override the sting of failure. That's why setbacks can feel discouraging, even when you know logically that one loss isn't the end. But there's hope. Awareness, perspective, and small wins help regulate your brain. By practicing resilience, celebrating effort, and reframing setbacks, you can calm the amygdala and strengthen rational thinking. Losing stops feeling like an attack, it becomes a signal to learn and grow. So next time losing hits hard, remember, your brain is wired to hate it, but understanding this can help you respond instead of reacting. The sting of defeat is biology, but you can train your brain to handle it wisely. If this video helped you understand why your brain hates losing, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What was a loss that felt unforgettable to you? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, your brain may hate losing, but you have the power to grow from it.